Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again, so please don't forget to support as well.